Today we are traveling newly built Malir Expressway, Karachi to Defense for breakfast in Tooso restaurant. The Malir Expressway, officially known as Shari Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, is a significant infrastructure project in Karachi, Pakistan. This branch offers a variety of Pakistani and continental dishes, with popular items including the traditional breakfast options like aloo and keema, as well as the pomegranate crumb sandwiches. Breakfast is served daily from 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Located along the serene Arabian Sea in Karachi, Pakistan, is the country's largest and first international standard shopping mall, offering a comprehensive blend of shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences. The mall houses over 130 stores, featuring a mix of international and local brands. Shoppers can explore renowned retailers such as Nike and Adidas, alongside popular Pakistani brands like Khadi, catering to a diverse range of fashion and lifestyle preferences. Dolmen Mall Clifton boasts a spacious food court offering a variety of culinary delights. Visitors can enjoy a range of cuisines from both international and local food outlets, ensuring a satisfying dining experience for all tastes. For entertainment, the mall features an indoor recreational facility, including Sinbad Amusement Park, providing fun activities for families and children. The mall also hosts various events and promotions throughout the year, enhancing the visitor experience. Dolmen Mall Clifton is situated in Dolmen City, the heart of Karachi 75600, Pakistan.
Huh?